where the technician hand-tightens bolts and performs a functional inspection. We open the valve manually to check movement and alignment of internal parts. Clear internal views reveal the high-quality structure and smooth flow path. The opening and closing operation is smooth, confirming the integrity of the assembled components.
Qingdao Flowco, Ltd., established in 2010, is a professional manufacturer of valves. iFlow owns its research and development team and is managed strictly under ISO 9001 quality control system. We have supplied to international clients for 10 years and are selling to more than 50 countries worldwide. Our products are used in Shangri-La Hotel, IKEA, Milan Expo, GE and Fiat Workshop, Costco vessels.
If you are interested in our valves, please visit our website for more details and glad to receive your inquiries.